Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today what we are going to do is we are going to deep dive into the world of Apple widgets and how to create the ultimate personalization setup across your Mac, iPhone and iPad. So look at first, let me share my Mac screen. So here my Mac setup. Basically, if you are able to see it, there is a one customized widget which I have put down from Widget. Basically, it will be available on Widget. It is an extra large widget. It will show me my time, date, as well as my calendar, and what are the holidays and what are the tasks are coming in the next week or something. It will show everything in there, and as well as there is a widget, small widget, which will show me my Instagram followers, total Instagram followers, and also on the last hour how much I can gain. Second widget is my YouTube subscriber count. So you can see, I can see here from my how much YouTube subscriber count I have basically. And there are my devices which are connected, like my devices from my MacBook, as well as the external devices which I have plugged into my Pro Mac Mini, as well as there I am using one application called Sparkle. So basically this application shows me everything relevant to it. Organizes your desktop and hardware and files automatically with the help of AI. You don't have to do anything. So that is it. And another thing which I'm able to show you is that how I organize my files here. So if you can see, I have a Finder window, then my mails, then Safari, then I have a Google Gemini. Gemini is an AI tool basically, where you can put your keywords and it will answer you. So I am a paid subscriber for this one. Also, you can see there's a launchpad. There are several apps. I will not go dig into everything. I will make a separate video on this. There is a iPhone mirroring, so you can see iPhone mirroring is going on with my iPhone here. I will go back to this later on. And then I have another app called I have a glance folder where I can glance for my social widgets, basically Instagram, messages, Reddit and X basically, which was Twitter previously. And then I have a download folder where all the things are organized. And this is my things. If I go to the widget page and show me basically all the current notification which I am getting, the two main notification which I required at the widget level is like the calendar, total calendar, and the reminder which I'm coming, every reminder which will be setting up, so it will be visible to all my devices. Now this is regarding the Mac. So basically there is a another thing like the iPad. If I open the QuickTime and basically make it big out there, you can see I have this iPad connected here. So I have a similar widget with this one, which will show my calendar. So everything is sync in between, and it is nothing extraordinary here. I am just making this setup as my personalized setup, and it will be helpful for my content creation work for YouTube and Instagram, basically for my YouTube channel. So if you can see here, this is connected, this is the widget which is the reflection of this widget in the Mac, and also there is Instagram widget and YouTube widget which show me my followers and all. In the iPad as well, if you can see, there are Finder window, which is contrary to what I have shown you in my MacBook. Also there is a mail app, there is a Safari, there is a Gemini. Everything is sorted out in between, and there is a widget, there is a folder called Glance as well, where all the social widgets is there. I don't have to look here and there, just everything pops up here only on my iPad. And there is a final widget called the library, which is a default one. So if I go into basically in the if I go to basically here in the left side of the widgets, you can see I have my calendar and my reminder, which is same as my MacBook. So this is it. And now coming back to my second setup with the iPhone, which I am running through my screen mirroring app. And if you can see here, I have a one widget from Widget. It's a nice widget. It shows me my time, temperature, day, date, and how much it feels, and what are the calendar and coming up next, and the battery percentage. Basically, I set up this differently on my iPhone because iPhone is a different device. So also the followers is showing up as well as the subscriber count for YouTube, the same widget. If you are wanted to get this widget, basically I will put a link in my YouTube channel. You can check the app from there. Okay, and there is another phone app, mail app, as well as Safari, which is contrary to what I have done in my MacBook and iPad as well. And there is a glance widget which will show me my WhatsApp message, Instagram, Thread, X, and Reddit, and messages, and Facebook post. So this is it, guys. This is what I have set up, and similar to that one in the iPhone as well, there is a calendar which will show my entries on the next events and my reminders as well. So this is what I have done basically, and this is my all the setup which I'm proud to say that I have made, and it is a very good setup. Like, you don't have to be throwing everything everywhere. You just has to make things easier to you to understand, so you can focus on your task basically. And there are some of the apps which I'm able to show you here, like content creation on my iPhone, YouTube Studio, and IQ, and Canva. This is in the focus tab. There is a Mindspace, one app which I have to jot down all the notes, and Freeform. And another is AI tool like Gemini, and this one is another AI tool called Arwin. So basically this is it, guys. This is how I set up my ecosystem of apps on MacBook, Mac Mini, and my iPad and my iPhone. So thanks for watching, and if you like this, I will put a link on everything in my description for this widgets links and all. Just follow my channel, and thanks for watching, and keep watching. Please, bye.